How to set up Google Drive for desktop. So first what you want to do is go to the Google Drive page. Once you're here, you could either click on the download button here on the bottom left if it's available for you. And if it's not, you can just go to the settings icon here at the top right. Then click on Get Drive for Desktop. Wait for it to load. And once you're here, just simply click on Download Drive for Desktop. And just simply click on Save and wait for it to load. Now, it's done downloading, so just simply click on the exe file. Wait for it to pop up. Click on yes if something pops up on your screen. You could either add desktop shortcuts to Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides if you want, but for me, I'm going to uncheck that since I don't want to. You could also add an application shortcut to your desktop. So I'm going to do that and click on install and simply wait for it. And now Google Drive has been successfully installed. Now what you want to do is just simply click on launch. Now wait for it to load. As you can see, I have now mine right here. You could also enable the extension right here for the application launcher for Drive. So I suggest that you enable that extension. I'm going to exit out of my browser and go here. On this page, you could see what the benefits of the Google Drive for desktop is or are. So these are the safely store your files and folders in Drive, open Drive files with applications on your computer, automatically keep all your Drive files up to date, and back up your photos to Google Photos. So just simply click on Get Started. Now you will need to sign in with your account. And if you do not have an account, you need to create one right here. And for me, I already have an account, so I'm just gonna go with sign in. So I'm just gonna sign in with my account. Click on next, and wait for it to load, and simply click on sign in right here. As you can see, I have now signed into Google Drive. To continue, close this window and return to Google Drive. I'm just going to simply close this window, and the Google Drive application should pop up just like this. So these two steps are optional. So you could either sync your files to Google Drive, so safely store your files in Drive and open with applications on your computer. And you could also choose the folders to sync from your computer to Google Drive. So you could skip this part if you want. And for me, I'm just going to skip it since I don't want them to be on the same folder in my drive. I want them to be separate. So I'm just going to click on skip. And here it says that differences between sync to Google Drive and backup to Google Photos. Sync with Drive is what it does is automatically syncs your edits. And what backup to Photos does is it treats edits as new files. So just simply click on this button. So here you could back up your photos and videos if you want. But as I said, this is also optional. So it's up to you if you want. So I'm just going to go with skip right here. And now as you can see right here, that your files will show up in the File Explorer without taking up hard drive space. So you can see all of your Google Drive files here on your File Explorer, and it won't take space in any of your drives. So just simply click on next to continue. So you could only see or open the Google Drive files if you have an internet connection. And if you want that particular file to be available offline, you just simply need to do this. So right click on the file or folder, then just simply choose the option for available offline and you're good to go. Now just simply click on open drive. And as you can see right here, I now have my drive set up. So you could also check it on the taskbar right here. Just simply click on this arrow and click on the Google Drive. I have mine right here. You can see the notifications, the activity. You could also go to settings right here and check the offline files and the syncing process if you want to pause it. And here, if you open up your File Explorer, as you can see, there's another drive which is called Google Drive right here. And if you open that, you could see all of your files on your Google Drive. But for me, this is a new account, so I don't really have any files. But for you, you could basically see all of your files. And earlier it says that if you want to make it available offline, you just simply need to click on right click on that file. And here you just simply need to go to offline access and select available offline. So you could choose to set it to either available offline or online only. It's up to you. And that's how you basically set up Google Drive for your desktop.